Cvlt here. I am excited. Today I am showing you guys some shoes that I got from FoxBlood. I have been following FoxBlood for some time now. My first order from them. So these shoes, a little bit of backstory, these shoes were really cute. I had been wanting them. Of course, they got sold out, and I was just like, well, you know, it wasn't meant to be, right? And that's just how what I usually helps me cope when I miss something that I really want, that I really don't need to be spending my money on. But I've been wanting these shoes for a really long time, right? So they actually have a version of this shoe I'm about to show you in a cute little heel. The one that I got was a flat. I really wanted the flats. And they have a heel version. And they were out of the flats for like a really long time. And I was just like, maybe I'll go ahead and get the heel. They're cute. It's the same style, just a heel versus a flat. And all of a sudden, the other day, they announced that they restocked their flat. And I was just like, it was meant to be. I was this close to getting the heel. It was meant to be for me to get the flat. The flat is a little bit less money. I don't know if they gave me the receipt or whatever for it, but we're going to get into the box now. So, do you care about this information? I don't know, the shopping delivery experience of ordering in the mail. They're in LA, I believe, definitely California. So basically, the shoe box came wrapped in this pretty purple plastic wrap. Very cute, right? I can't show you my address on the back. But this is the shoe box. Everything was in the shoe box. This is Strange Cult. So are they selling Strange Cult, or is Strange Cult theirs as well? I should look into that. But strangecult.com. So maybe they're selling Strange Cult. I should look up strangecult.com then. But I ordered it off of FoxBlood, their FoxBlood website. And it has like this really cool art on their card. I really like that. I'm going to keep that. And then it has all their information on the back, which I greatly appreciate. Check out my ring light. But there's my information, their information, excuse me, tired, early morning. And again, just check out that art. I really like that. Okay, we are going to open this up. Ta-da! Look at this cute wrapping paper. I really appreciate the wrapping paper. And then the shoe comes wrapped up like this, both of the shoes. Let's pull it on out. Ta-da! Here they are. So, does anyone remember goth pikes? They're kind of like the style of goth from the 80s. It was popular for goth pikes to be a thing for their shoe that they wore. And I have been loving that style for years. Look at the inside of the shoe as well. Like, that is all on the inside of the shoe. I'm going to look up their website now. But back to the goth pikes. There was actually an Etsy page that had goth pikes, and I don't know what happened to it. It was a whole thing. I really wanted some of their shoes. They have more of like the traditional look of the goth pike. This is kind of resembling it, I say. And those were the shoes that I've wanted ever since I was a teenager, and not having money, couldn't get them. I told myself I'm going to own a pair one of these days. Well, here's just the start of it. Because let me tell you, the FoxBlood website, they have some cute boots, but they were more money than these. So this is just a nice starter. And I'm going to show them on my feet for you guys so that you can check them out and see what they look like. Some footage. So, alright, so you guys get to see what they look like here, and I get to tell you how they felt on my feet. So, they are pretty stiff. I have to say they are such great quality. They are vegan, I am pretty sure. Double check on that. But the quality of this shoe, I'm actually really surprised about how stiff they are, how firm they are. Just good quality. But they're going to take some breaking in to do. I am technically a 6.5 in size for my feet. And these shoes are a size 7. So, as usual, shoes run a little big on me. But they weren't too bad. They stick to your feet pretty well. They actually have 3 holes where the clasp bar, and I'm thinking, or the buckle, excuse me. I'm thinking that I'm going to try and tighten it. I didn't tighten them. I'm wearing them as they came, which they come on the middle hole for the buckle. And they stuck on my feet pretty well, but they do move around. And because they're moving around on my feet, the only thing that really rubbed when you get new flats, usually this happens, they rubbed on my big toe. And I was walking around in them, so me feeling around my whole foot, right? So far, that was the only spot that my toe was immediately tender after wearing them, just to show this video. I am actually curious to see what these shoes look like worn in, because they just look so pretty and nice and pristine and just stuck in that nice brand new condition. And it's like that thing where you don't want to crease your shoes, because these types of shoes, they do run long on your toe, which, by the way, the point of the toe is not tight on my foot, although I have slim feet, but they were not squeezing my toes, because a lot of pointed toe shoes can squeeze your toes, and it's very uncomfortable. These shoes were not uncomfortable in that area, but they do run long, and I'm scared of creasing them, and I kind of feel like it's bound to happen. So, along with the look of this shoe, I am pleased and yet disappointed at the same time, because I was looking for a more casual shoe, and this shoe is looking way more dressed up than what I was even intending. Like, I'm actually very happy with the quality of this shoe, but I was looking for more of a casual, I'm going to wear everywhere shoe, which really, these shoes are so cute. I want to wear them everywhere anyways, but that's how I feel about them off first impression. The price of these shoes are $66.60 before tax and shipping. So guys, thank you so much for watching this video. I'm so excited to have these shoes. Just look at them. I still have the stuffing in this one. They're so cute, and I'm so happy. They go this way with the buckles. Guys, please support this channel. Please subscribe. Comment down below. What do you think of these shoes? What's your style? All that good, fun stuff. Like and share. Till next time. Bye, guys.